everybody, welcome back to Journey with Jackie. I am excited because I know we're all wearing like super casual, comfortable clothes, but as I say, there is nothing stopping us from looking cute while we're doing that. And so I recently ordered some things that I got from a local designer in New York City, and I just really wanted to share it with you because I think she just does some fantastic, unique, as I say, loose, comfortable clothing with her own little stamp on the design. So I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you in this video. And then I'm actually going to close it out by making a recipe with salmon that I have not made before. I actually got it from one of the YouTubers, Aaliyah, and it's like her favorite meal. So I thought I'm just going to try it with you guys. Let's see how it turns out, and that's how I'm going to close out the video, and I'll include all the ingredients that I'm going to do it with below in the video. Okay, so let's get started with the first look. I actually am already wearing it, and so I'm going to back up and show you the pants. So these sweatpants is by the designer from New York. Her name is, I think it's called Sofistafunk. I'll put it right there so you can see it. And she, like, it's all sweatshirt material, but as you can see, like, the pants here are the camouflage, but they're like a unique color camouflage with the blue and black and gray. And then she puts her little stamp on most of her designs with this like little bumblebee. And so, like, there's a bumblebee here and a bumblebee inside my pants. You can't see it right there. So that's kind of like her signature stamp, I guess. And so you'll kind of see that throughout some of her pieces. But she really does it, like, really nice and understated. But the reason why I love these pants is because the quality is really good. They're nice in a thick sweatshirt fabric, tapered at the bottom like a sweatpant. But here's the thing about these two. They're nice and loose and comfortable. I think there's like only two sizes. I will tell you, I do have one the larger size. I think it's like a large, extra large. They were sold out of the small mediums, and I really wanted them, so I just got them. And I figured I could always maybe put them in a dryer or something and try to shrink them. But in the meantime, I'm fine with, you know, how big they are. I know some people don't like things as big as I do, so I know it's okay, it's just me. But and so, but I do love them a lot, and you're gonna really love the quality. And what I decided to do is just pair them with a sweatshirt fabric, like a vest that I got from another brand, and I'll link it in information below. And then my standard white long sleeve H&M shirts that I wear all the time. Say for instance, you're living in a nice warmer climate, you can get away with wearing this vest, that's great. But if you're living here in the Northeast like me, it's colder. So for me, I'm going to switch out this vest for you, and I'm going to put it on with a jacket. And I do have a blue. The cool thing about these sweatpants, as I said, it has the blue, black, gray. So I'm going to pair it first with my navy blue leather jacket to kind of change it up, because we know we can always do black, right? So I figured I didn't want to try it on with black because that's an easy one. And if we want to throw it in with a little pop of color to kind of break it up a little bit, make it more fun and keep it casual as we're doing our quick run around and going to the store, wherever we have to go to come back in and be safe, I'm just going to throw it on with my pink long scarf. Okay, the next one I'm going to share an outfit with you is this beautiful skirt. So this is by the same brand, Sofistafunk. And so it's two pockets on the side, and it's a sweatshirt, and it's going to go in like on the sides a little bit, but it's tapered at the bottom of the skirt just like it would be for sweatpants. I just wanted to share that with you. These are drawstrings, but they're actually fake drawstrings, which I didn't realize until I got them. And I also bought these in a size, the larger size, no, this is a smaller one. But I thought I could just draw it in like a drawstring, but they're fake. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these strings in the meantime. But so I just wanted to show you up close, and I just want to show you how thick this was. And I don't know if I said this. This is no collaboration. This lady doesn't even know me. I just love her stuff, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I have on the skirt, so I wanted to show you what I did first. So I actually tied the string in the back, and it's this little knot because once again it's fake, so I couldn't leave it around the front because it's nothing that's going to make it tighter. It's just basically attached to the front. It's just sewed right there. So that's why I did that. And so it has the pockets. And then I'm going to step back. And I actually threw on my Prada over-the-knee boots is what I'm rocking them with. The side pockets. And then a couple different things. As I said, if you're in a warmer climate, you could just throw on a cute vest. And you are out the door. So I thought this was cute. You know, a little outside winter vest. So this is my version of an outside winter vest. I love, my wish list one day is to have one of those like Montclair like vest, quilted vest. But for now, this one is just fine. I love this one by Marla Wynn. I wish she would come back out with this, but she hasn't. So anyway, so this is how I would rock this sweatshirt skirt. If you want to throw on a jacket, or I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt. Hold on. Now I just threw it on with my Givenchy sweatshirt. So it's kind of cropped. So because this is kind of like loose and wider and fuller on the bottom, so I just threw on my crop sweatshirt. So I'm still comfortable. I still have all sweatshirt fabric on. And so this is my look by just throwing on a crop sweatshirt. And I hope it comes off in the camera pretty good because I know I have on all black, but I'm hoping that it does so you can really kind of get the effect of the skirt and with the regular sweatshirt. Okay, so here is the next item I want to share with you. Very similar to the one I just showed you, but here's the difference. This is actually, so this one is actually working drawstring, but the difference between the two is this is more of a straight skirt, and in the back it has this cute like side split. So when you walk, your leg really isn't exposed, but there's a split off the side in the back. And this one does not have pockets because it is more straight. And so I got this actually on eBay. So I was really lucky to get this one. It was like really, really cheap. I don't remember what it was, but I'm so excited to have gotten this one. And once again, I got it off of eBay. And so now let me put this on and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm feeling. Like 2 weeks. I've ordered 3 different times from her for different things, and I've been very pleased when I get them, but it definitely takes like 2 weeks before I get them for whatever reason. But I wanted to make sure I mentioned that to you. So anyway, so this was the straight skirt look by Y3. This is a quick intermission. I forgot to talk about the contest. Forgive me. Okay, contest. We are into giveaway 4. Giveaway 4 because I just gave away 2 things the other day. So giveaway 4, all you have to do is leave comments in this video. If you already have in my last few videos, your names are already in the glass bowl right here. And then I'll announce the winner on my next coming up video in a few days. So you definitely have to stay tuned. And congratulations again to Dulce Perez and Barbara Harley, who just won a couple days ago. So once again, thank you guys so much. Now, here's what you're going to win. So for this giveaway 4, and I got 2 things. I'm giving you my favorite Touchland Air Mist sanitizer spray that's perfect for your car and your pocket because it's so thin. You guys, I've given this before. It's the first one. I just love it so much. And I got mine from Ulta, and Ulta's having a 20% off. So if you're looking to buy one, now is a really good time to buy them. And they come in like 5 different fragrances. This is the unscented. I like the unfragranced one. That's just me. And in this cute little box already wrapped up from Chanel, it is the hand lotion for the winter. So it's more the thicker, rich, moisturizing with the little egg. That's perfect to leave in your car or your pocketbook. So I thought that would be a nice partnership pair. Once you sanitize in your car, put on the lotion. So I thought that would be perfect. So this is going to be giveaway number 4. So leave any comments below. I appreciate it. Next item is a Zara pair of pants. So I got these pants from Zara. I got them online. And so keeping with the whole sweatshirt, cargo pant theme, this is their version of cargo pants made out of short shirt fabric. And they're like, yeah, it's a pretty soft tan color. I've been on this thing also, so either if it's not black, then I'm like the extreme, and I've been really enjoying anything that's been in my closet that's like winter white or pale off white or the lightest tan I possibly can. And then once again, you guys know I love doing the whole monotone theme when I'm getting dressed, and so I'm really loving it. So anything that I could find that's giving me the right fit and cut, that's an off-white, I've been looking for. And this was like the lightest version in Zara online that I could find. I just quickly wore them the other day with a long tunic top that I got from H&M. And as you can see, it's just very nice, cool, casual, comfy, chic, with my little leather jacket and my little Matie boots that I shared with you guys from my boot collection. But I'm really loving this whole comfortable chic look. Just trying to figure it out because, you know, we don't have to wear, I guess, like the workout look all the time if we don't want to. Sometimes we're in that mood, we just want to put that on and we go. But sometimes we still want to be comfortable and not feel like we're like dressing up to go out. And I still think wearing like this whole sweatshirt fabric, but in a different way, I think allows us still continue to do that. So whether we're being comfortable staying home, chilling, working in the office, doing whatever you want to do in the house, or if you need to go out, I think these looks give you the option to do both comfortably chic. And the other thing was super affordable, which is what I love about this too. I don't think I told you the prices of any for stuff, but all of the items are under $100, so they're really good price. So so check out the information below. All right, now I'm gonna switch to last thing. Here's the last thing. Going back to Sofistafunk, this is what started it all off. This is the very first thing that I got from her, and it is the cargo camouflage sweatpants, but in the standard green. And remember I was talking about the bee, so here is a close-up version of the bee. And this one, on this particular pants, it's like a soft off-white pale yellow on the sweatpants, and at the bottom I did say, so they're like the standard tapered at the bottom like sweatpants would be, nice and thick. They'll stay close to your leg. And back pocket here. So yeah, one back pocket, two side pockets. Drawstring is definitely a working drawstring, and just really nice and loose. Now try these on for you and show you how I'm gonna just quickly try them on with the sweater, and I'll show you what that looks like now. Okay, do that. So I am now actually going to transition and put on a top that I'm actually about to leave out with, and then I'm going to close out the video. So this is my quick outfit of the day because I'm actually about to head out now and go get my hair did. And so I just threw on my green leather bomber this time with the same green pants that I just shared with you. And then I have on a old 3/4 sleeve top that I got from H&M probably like 2-3 years ago maybe, and I just like layered it with the white same ATM shirt, and then my Matie boots, and then my Evelyn crossbody bag. And so yeah, so let's go get my hair done. Hey, you know what was your favorite so far? What was your favorite item that I shared with you that you love the most, or the look that you love the most? I'd be really curious. I like them all. I don't know if I have a favorite. I love them all because you guys know I say this. You know, everything that you wear, everything you put on, I don't care if it's sweat clothes or dressing up or dress down, whatever it is, it should put a smile on your face. And if it's something not making you smile about something you have on, just change it. It could be the top or the bottoms or the shoes, whatever it is. So when you're all done, no matter what it is, dress up or dress down, that you put a smile on your face. So they all put a smile on my face. But once again, I'm really excited about venturing in doing the wearing sweatshirts, and then the just wearing white and off-white more in the wintertime and not just in the summertime. So But anyway, let's go get my hair done, and then we're gonna come back and make the salmon together. All right, thanks you guys. All right, let's go. All right, everybody, I am back home. Hair is all done. And so I am now going to transition by closing out the video by us making the salmon together. And I would love to know what you think and if you've tried the salmon before from Aaliyah. And so there's just a few main ingredients for the salmon that she used. The first one is spinach. So I am going to use fresh spinach. The second one is a mixed combination cheese. She used, I think it was Italian, but I couldn't find Italian, so I just grabbed Mexican. And then the third one is a baddie, but yes, another cheese, and that is cream cheese, but we gotta try it. So I am now gonna go ahead and put everything to make it up. We'll do it together, and I'll leave below in the comments what it tastes like when it was all done. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the comments. Thank you so much if you're still watching at this point. And 2 thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so we can definitely be together again. And the notification bell will definitely remind you when I've posted my next video in a couple of days. Thank you guys so much, and I love you, and I'll see you.